Welcome back, viewers. In the last two videos, we have seen many of the applications that are available in Debian Multimedia, and we will continue further with the other applications that are available. So we have not covered all the applications. It is not possible to cover all applications in one video. So we are doing it in parts. So now this will be the third part of the series on Debian Multimedia. So here you can see the HDSP mixer is there. So in last video you have seen the HDSP configurator or the configuration, and the HDSP mixer is there. So whenever there are multi tracks, you can mix those tracks using this HDSP mixer. Hexter is nothing but a flowchart. You can draw flowcharts using the Hexter. So let it open. Victory is the Gnome game. Horland, it might be some plugin or driver. Hugin batch processor, Hugin calibrate lens, and Hugin panorama creator are nothing but plugins to do batch processing of images and calibration of lenses, and the panorama creator. So you can stitch a panorama using multiple images. So this is available. What is this? We don't know. And this Hexter is also not coming up on the screen. Yes, now it has come up on the screen. So let us check. So curve. So in INEX vocabulary, a curve is a spatial trajectory. A curve can have two functions. First, it is a support for cursors, defining where they are going. Secondly, it can be variation of the values read by cursors. So it must be some application to do some operations on the waveform of the audio curves. So whenever you record any audio, the audio waveform is recorded, and later on you can do operations on that audio waveform to give special effects. So those kind of things are there. So there will be many such applications, many such features available in different applications on the Debian Multimedia. You can see it here. The different waveforms are there. So any audio waveform that you have recorded, you can manipulate it from here using this ANI or the News Core application. So you can create special effects on audio that you have recorded using this application. Then at below you can see these are the different plugins. So this is the plugin for coordinate conversion. This is the binaural decoder. So you require decoders to decode the waveform. So this will decode the waveform. This is another decoder. Then this is the bidirectional compressor. So you can compress the audio waveform using the bidirectional compressor. Directivity shaper. So you can manipulate the audio waveform and increase the gain or directivity in certain axis. Distance compensator is there. So the distance between the microphone, that is the audio source, and the recorder, you can manipulate using this distance compensator. Dual delay is there. You can insert delays in the audio waveform. Energy visualizer is there. So you can visualize the energy in the audio waveform using this. Reverberation, this is the reverberation plugin. This is the granular encoder. So you got decoder and you also got the encoders. So you can encode any waveform in the format of your choice. This is the matrix multiplier. You can multiply the audio waveform. So you can multiply the gains using this. Multiband compressor is there. So you can compress the audio waveform in different multiple bands. Multi-encoder is there. This is the multiple equalizer. So it will have multiple band equalizer. Omni compressor is there. So it will compress the audio waveform. Probe decoder is there. Room encoder is there. Scene rotator, simple decoder, stereo encoder, IEM toolbox. So scene rotator. So you can rotate your scene 90 degrees, 45 degrees, like that. It is there. You have seen this any photography application. You can rotate that photo. So same thing will happen here. Inkscape, everybody knows input methods. Java with ALSA support. Java with the jack support. We will open with the ALSA support. We will not open jack because jack is not working. So this is Java is nothing but a ALSA audio analyzer. You can analyze. You can see here the waveform. What I am talking, the waveform is shown here. You can analyze the waveform here. You can create markers for high, low, or different frequencies. You can analyze the bandwidth. You can analyze the freeze, peak, hold, different frequencies. You can set mean, max, span, amplitude. You can set all those things are there. There will be many functionality. We can say satisfy everything in one video. So each application, each feature will require a separate video. So we cannot go in that detail. Of course, we can do that, but it depends on the user. If you ask me, I will have to learn because I don't know everything. I know the overall picture, how this multimedia will work, but I also need to study the details, learn it by myself, and then I can create a video. The jack keyboard is there. Jack time machine is there. Yes. So this is a time machine. Exactly what it will do, I also don't know. So there is no help right now here, but it must be some timer or something like that. When we actually start using the any multimedia desktop, then slowly and slowly we will run. It will take even 1 year because there are many lot of applications are there. So even to learn basic things about all the applications, it will take 1 year. It's so much vast that it will take 1 year. So Japa with ALSA support, Japa with jack support. This also you can see. So this is nothing but a ALSA perceptual analyzer. So it is also kind of waveform analyzer. You can hear my sound is getting converted into the waveform. You can see the amplitudes of the sound waveform are changing. And you could also hear the hissing sound, that is the noise. So JK meter is nothing but a sound meter. It will just open up. Then J meter is there. So it is also some audio. Yes. So it is also meter. You can evaluate the decibel or the sound energy of the audio waveform that you are plotting or you are recording. So you can check out at what exact decibels the sound is getting recorded or the sound is getting produced and recorded by the microphone. Then the noise meter is there. So this is specially to calculate or show the noise, how much noise level is there in the waveform or how much noise level is there in the recording studio. Then the KD system settings are there. So it has installed because some of the KD components are required to fulfill the dependencies of the Debian Multimedia. Klotoski is also a GNOME game, and this is the LibreOffice suite. We will not go into this detail. Everybody knows LibreOffice suite. Lights off is another video that is installed by the GNOME desktop. Luminance HDR. Let us check out what is it. Luminance HDR is open source software and its development required hundreds of hours of work. If you like it, you are using it in your HDR workflow, you will like to see it gradually improved. Please support its author by making a donation. So ask me later. So right now I want to show you exactly what the application is. Okay, so it is nothing but image processing. So you can process your HDR images taken by your camera or your digital cameras or your this network cameras. All those images you can do the this processing of those HDR images using this application, that is Luminance HDR. Further, yes, so we have completed two sections or two pages of the applications, and this these applications we will cover in the next video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.